If you're thinking of trying out AvaTrade's trading platform, watch my video from A to Z for sure, because I've been using them for a little bit. I'm going to talk a little bit about what my experience has been, some of what I've learned about them, just including some basic information. And if you actually want to sign up for them yourself after watching this video, I'm including a link in the video description below. That link will entitle you to their best trading fees, as well as any welcome offer that they might have in your area. Not every area has a welcome offer, but if they have one, that link will propagate it when you go ahead and sign up for your account. So it's there for you to use if you want, my friends. Okay, so what is AvaTrade? Well, it's a financial services company that is headquartered in Ireland, actually, and has been around since 2006, so they're not rookies. It's got an app as well and a bunch of different software that you can use to trade a whole lot of different assets like stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and so on. The cryptocurrency thing is what has me the most interested. Now, that being said, most of the action at AvaTrade takes place in the stock section. Here's a place where you'll get to trade on all of the famous names like Tesla, Amazon, Apple, and Netflix. However, AvaTrade's equally good for trading other assets, such as forex pairings, like, for example, the US dollar against the British pound, or you could even try trading in commodities like crude oil, gold, silver, things like that. Other trading options include indices, options, and pretty much everything you'd expect from an online trading platform. Here is kind of like the trick or the catch to AvaTrade. Everything that you can find on AvaTrade, the site, can only be traded as a CFD. Now, CFDs are when you don't actually own the underlying asset, but hope to benefit from the price rises or falls in the market. So let me explain. First of all, let me just say that CFDs aren't allowed everywhere. They do have a few advantages, though, over the regular way of buying and selling assets. First of all, you don't actually have to go through the entire process of actually owning the asset, which dramatically speeds up the trades. Secondly, you can buy fractions of an individual asset rather than the whole thing. An individual Bitcoin unit was hitting 44,000 when I recorded this guide. So I'm hoping that you'll see why CFDs are actually pretty good. All right, now let's talk about cryptocurrency. So AvaTrade lets you trade well over a dozen cryptos. This is a fair amount more than you're going to get at pretty much any other trading site. Obviously, you'll find that Bitcoin features here, but there's also a bunch of other big cryptos like Ethereum, Ripple, Litecoin, Stellar, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Gold, Miota, the list goes on. And again, I should remind you that you won't actually be adding these cryptocurrencies to your own crypto wallet, but will merely be speculating on things like whether Bitcoin rises or Ethereum falls. So that's what you can trade at AvaTrade. Now let's have a look at how you can trade. First of all, there's an awesome AvaTrade app that's available for all regular iOS and Android mobiles. This is a great little app that gives you pretty much the full power of executing your trades, anywhere you want. You'll also get to browse all of the markets and create a watch list of your assets. From here, it's a matter of monitoring the price movements and figuring out the right time to hit those buy or sell buttons to execute your trades. Now, while the AvaTrade app is pretty good, some traders might be looking at something with a bit more in the way of analytics, right? Then fear not, as AvaTrade also features the industry standard Metatrader 4 and Metatrader 5 trading platforms. Now, some of you may be familiar with this, some of you may not, but these offer you pretty much everything you need to truly understand what the markets are doing. There are a couple more platforms available like DupliTrade and Ava Options, but these probably won't be relevant for you unless you're a very experienced trader. Now, AvaTrade is available in many places all over the world, ranging from South Africa to Australia to Canada and Ireland. Now, while AvaTrade is a multinational company, it's not available in the US, so sorry about that. But now with that bad news out of the way, let's try to take a look at how you can actually make a deposit at AvaTrade. Now, the good news is that you can get a bunch of different deposit options, like cards, e-wallets, you name it. The bad news is the minimum deposit amount is $100. Now, you might think that's high, but it's actually pretty comparable to most trading sites out there. Now, once you've managed to make something back from your trade, you'll be ready to make a withdrawal. Again, you can make withdrawals with credit card, debit cards, and e-wallets, and it shouldn't take any longer than like 48 hours for the money to hit your account. I should note here that AvaTrade is one of the trading platforms that doesn't feature any outright commission fees. Instead, you'll have any costs pretty much incurred included in the sale or purchase of any asset. It's a pretty straightforward approach, and I found that such costs were as good as you'd get anywhere else. Now, lots of trading sites have demo versions of their platforms, but AvaTrade has something different. This is because you can get a forex mini account to try out. That's pretty cool. Here, you can simply make a deposit with as little as $100, and from here, you'll get a good idea of how the foreign currency markets actually work. There's also a great Ava Protect feature that basically reimburses you from losing positions, something that I'd like to see a few more trading platforms include. Now, this might seem minor to you, but it's definitely worth mentioning. AvaTrade has a pretty good blog that's got some incredible tips on how you can trade foreign currencies. I mean, lots of things. Chances are that you'll be keen to start trading, but I thought I'd let you know about that so you can educate yourself. There are also a bunch of educational articles that you can check out even further deeper into the blog, and they kind of make AvaTrade a good option for newcomers to online trading. Now, I would not be recommending you try any trading platform unless I could vouch for the safety of that platform. So I'm happy to let you know that AvaTrade is actually a professional and fully regulated trading platform. In fact, it's regulated by a bunch of different financial authorities, ranging from the Australian Securities and Investments Commission to the Central Bank of Ireland. AvaTrade's website actually says that it is UK regulated, although you may want to check whether it's got regulation from the Financial Conduct Authority. That I wasn't able to verify. Plus, AvaTrade's site features that comforting little SSL symbol to show you that all data flowing between your browser and website will be fully encrypted. All right, guys, now there is a bunch more information that I could include in this review, but I wanted to keep this short and sweet and simple. That's pretty much all I have to share with you. And again, that link down below, if you want to try them out, will get you pretty much guaranteed their best sign-up bonus offer, as well as the lowest fees you'll find for this platform. That being said, I'll see you the next time. Hope you enjoyed the video.